Welcome to our roundup of the best electric tire inflators. Essential tools designed to keep your tires properly inflated, improve safety, and make roadside emergencies much easier to handle. Whether you're dealing with low tire pressure, preparing for long drives, or maintaining your vehicle regularly, a reliable electric inflator can save you time and effort. Modern tire inflators come with digital displays, auto shut-off features, and high-pressure capabilities up to around 150 psi, making them both convenient and efficient for everyday use. Alibaba 1. Many models also include LED lights, multiple nozzles, and compact designs for easy storage in your car. Choosing the right tire inflator can improve efficiency, ensure accurate pressure, and provide peace of mind on the road. Let's take a closer look at some of the best electric tire inflators available right now. Starting with the Avid Power Tire Inflator. This model is a great option for users looking for a portable and user-friendly inflator with reliable everyday performance and consistent inflation results. It typically features a compact cordless or 12V design that allows for easy use without complicated setup, making it suitable for quick tire inflation in emergency situations. The digital display provides accurate pressure readings, helping users monitor and set the desired PSI more precisely. Many versions include an automatic shut-off function that stops inflation once the preset pressure is reached, preventing overinflation and improving safety. Users appreciate its lightweight design and convenient portability for keeping it inside the car at all times. Additionally, it delivers steady inflation performance and dependable results. It also improves convenience, enhances accuracy, and supports quick roadside use. Next up is the Rockworld R8 Tire Inflator, a versatile and dependable option designed for faster inflation speed and improved efficiency during use. This model typically features a high-performance motor that allows for quicker tire inflation compared to basic models, saving valuable time during emergencies or routine maintenance. It often includes a large digital display and simple control system, making it easy to operate even for beginners. Many versions also come with built-in LED lighting, which is especially useful for nighttime use or low-light conditions. Users often appreciate its strong airflow performance and consistent pressure output for different types of tires. The compact design makes it easy to store in your vehicle without taking up much space. Additionally, it provides reliable operation and smooth performance across different situations. It also improves speed, enhances usability, and supports efficient tire maintenance. Moving on to the Carson Tire Inflator. This model is known for its balance of affordability, performance, and useful smart features for everyday use. It typically offers up to 150 psi pressure capacity with a fast inflation rate, allowing it to inflate standard car tires within a few minutes efficiently. Reddit 2. The digital display and preset pressure function make it easy to set the desired tire pressure and let the inflator handle the rest automatically. It also includes LED lighting for emergency situations, making it practical for roadside use at night. Many users appreciate its straightforward design and ability to deliver reliable performance without unnecessary complexity. Additionally, it delivers consistent inflation results and dependable functionality. It also improves safety, enhances convenience, and supports regular vehicle maintenance. Stepping up in performance, the Taroma's Tire Inflator offers a strong combination of versatility, power options, and advanced functionality for different use cases. This model typically supports both AC and DC power sources, allowing it to be used at home as well as in vehicles, making it more flexible than standard 12V-only inflators. It often features a powerful motor with fast inflation capability and accurate pressure measurement for better results. Many versions include multiple nozzle attachments, making it suitable not only for car tires but also for bikes, motorcycles, sports equipment, and more. Users appreciate its multi-purpose design and consistent performance across different applications. Additionally, it delivers efficient inflation and reliable operation over time. It also improves versatility, enhances functionality, and supports multi-use scenarios. Taking the top spot is the Astro AI Tire Inflator, a highly advanced and widely popular option designed for maximum reliability, performance, and user-friendly operation. This model typically features a strong motor with high-pressure capability, allowing it to inflate tires quickly and efficiently with accurate pressure control. It includes a digital display with preset options and automatic shutoff, ensuring precise inflation without the risk of overfilling. Many versions also come with a long power cord, making it easier to reach all tires without repositioning the device frequently. Users appreciate its durable build quality, consistent performance, and ease of use for both beginners and experienced drivers. Additionally, it delivers fast inflation speed and stable performance across different conditions. It also stands out for its reliability, advanced features, and overall value. All of these electric tire inflators serve different needs depending on features, power, and usage. The Avid Power Inflator offers portability and ease of use. The Rockworld Inflator provides faster inflation and efficient performance. The Carson Inflator delivers solid features at an affordable level. The Taroma's Inflator offers multi-power versatility and flexibility. And the Astro AI Inflator stands out as the most reliable and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best electric tire inflators. From compact portable pumps to more advanced models designed for faster and more efficient performance. Whether you're preparing for emergencies, maintaining proper tire pressure, or looking for a convenient travel tool, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive tools and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your tires properly inflated with the right electric tire inflator.